Yo guys, welcome to another video. Do you want to learn sample tattoo portrait? Something like this or this. Let me teach you how to make skin tones. Let's do it.
For drops red, 10 drops yellow, 2 drops black, 2 solution ink, 11 drops yellow, 4 drops red. Fill the cup with white. 2 drops solution and mix. And then the first cup is 70%. The second cup is 50%. And the third cup is 20%. And fill the cup with white. 2 drops solution and mix. 2 drops add yellow.
So guys, now you learn how to make skin tones, but if you want to make it lighter, you need to add more yellow. Please comment down below any requested or suggestion you want to learn from me to mix color combination for tattoo ink. Don't forget like, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.